Yang lain bisa dikasihnya lah kameranya semua. Kita on cam, guys. Okay, everyone here. Ya kok. Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So guys, how are you today?
Fine.
Kok nggak ada suaranya yang lain? How are you today?
Fine.
Semangat dong, semangat. Ayo. Masa lemas semua ini? Masih pagi loh. Oke, saya absen dulu ya. Baik. Andi Nur Patrisa. Andi Nur Patrisa. Are you there? Nggak ada. Andi Zafran Muhammad Ardi.
Hadir Kak.
Thank you Zafran. Adnan Fatihul Ihsan.
Hadir Kak.
Thank you. Agung Prihantoro Arifudin. Agung Prihantoro. Nggak ada di. Ahmad Faiz Akil.
Hadir Kak.
Oke, thank you Faiz. Ahmad Hussein Al-Ghifari.
Hadir Kak.
Thank you. Ahmad Juwari. Ahmad Juwari.
Nggak ada kayaknya.
Nggak ada di. Ahmad Syafi Fajar. Alif Raisul Ummah.
Hadir Kak.
Siapa itu hadir? Ahmad Syafi Fajar atau Alif Raisul Ummah?
Alif Kak, Alif.
Alif. Oh iya. Goyes Arnun. Goyes Arnun.
Tidak ada kayaknya.
Khaira Fikriah.
Hadir Ustaz. Kak.
Khaira Fikriah.
Hadir Kak.
Yeay. Laila Farhana Safar.
Hadir Kak.
Makfira Aulia.
Hadir Kak.
Mustira Resti Aulia.
Hadir Kak.
Muhammad Afdal.
Hadir Kak.
Muhammad Panji Dwinanta Putra.
Hadir Kak.
Panji.
Hadir.
Muhammad Ragil Andriansa. Muhammad Ragil.
Nggak ada kayaknya.
Muhammad Rafi Rahman.
Hadir. Hadir Kak.
Nabila Khairunisa.
Hadir Kak.
Nadia Ulia Mutmainah Erwin.
Hadir Kak.
Naura Anissa.
Hadir Kak.
Naura Anissa. Oke. Nur Afia Salsabila Saleh.
Hadir Kak.
Nora Farida Al-Sadar.
Hadir Kak.
Nur Mahira Arika Syarifuddin.
Hadir Kak.
Nurul Hijriyah Syahrani Jam'an.
Hadir Kak.
Rafli Islami. Rafli. Gak ada. Regita Febri Azizia.
Hadir Kak.
Reski Suci Ramadhani.
Kak.
Risma Zalianti.
Hadir Kak.
Sabrun Rifki Ahmad.
Hadir.
Saharani Aprilia.
Hadir Kak.
Siti Ainun.
Hadir Kak.
Siti Fakhira Asar.
Hadir Kak.
Siti Asma Nurul Mujahidah.
Hadir Kak.
Siti Sabrina Supri. Syatira Amalia.
Hadir Kak.
Tadi ada yang baru masuk di Andi Nur Fatrisa terlambat masuk tadi. Ada di sini Andi Nur Fatrisa.
Iya Kak, hadir
Gabung
Kak.
nih. Iya. Oke. Jadi you're gonna presentation your group assignment that we have discussed last meeting. Who wants to presentation first? Yang sudah siap, who's already prepared?
Group
Ada?
1, are you ready?
Guys,
Bisa random Kak.
ya bisa. Itu Mi bertanya Kak siapa yang sudah siap supaya bisa langsung mulai. Siap Mi Kak kelompokmu, Asma?
Belum Kak.
Siapa yang sudah siap guys? Masa enggak ada? Sudah diingatkan semalam padahal loh. Guys, where are you?
Kelompok 1 mungkin sudah siap.
Kelompok 1, Asma, Hussein, Farida, Panji, Khairah.
Are you ready?
Siapa yang sudah siap mengacungkan tangan saja supaya bisa langsung dimulai. Karena terundur waktu itu jam 10 jadi.
Iya, supaya cepat karena
Guys.
waktunya sampai jam 10.
Kelompok 2, Nadia Yusuf Nabi. Nabila, Syatira,
Faiz.
Faiz.
Ya Kak, kelompokku.
Kelompok 2.
Oke.
Ready, Mi? Siap, Mi?
Ya,
Oke, time is yours. Silahkan, teman-teman.
langsung dibaca aja saja Kak.
Iya. Semuanya
Yes.
membaca atau satu orang juga?
Semua Kak, satu paragraf satu orang.
Oke.
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 Last Sunday, March 13, 2022, WN group from other class went to visit historical place.
The first historical place we visited was the tomb of Arung Palaka, which is quite close from our school. In that place, apart from the tomb of Arung Palaka, there's also the tomb of his family.
The second historical place we visited was a tomb of Sultan Hasanuddin. In that place, there is the tomb of the Sultan Hasanuddin and his family's tomb. And that place, we were amazed by the building shaped like a giant like a sword in the middle of the other buildings.
The third historical place, we went to the Mandala Monument. The fourth, we went to the Makassar City Museum. Then we went to the Fort Rotterdam. And finally, we went to Sumpang Bita, which is located in Maros.
Today we are grateful for knowing the story of the past, and we hope that future generation can also know these stories.
Sudah Mika.
Sudah, Mi?
Ya.
Oke, thank you, group 2. Jadi, next, siapa yang ready lagi kelompoknya?
Kelompok 3 Kak.
Ya. Kelompok 3, siapa itu tadi bicara?
Laila.
Laila, Raffi? Ya, silakan, go ahead.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kami dari kelompok 3 hasil recount teks kami yang berjudul Zoo.
At the time I was 12 years old, I went to the zoo with my extended family. Before we left, we bought a lot of snacks to eat on the way.
When we arrived at the zoo, we were very happy because we could see a lot of animals there, ranging from animals that live on land, water, and air.
Yes, Panda. Panda is very cute, especially when sleeping and eating. And my sister's favorite is the tiger. Although it's a little scary, it looks cute too.
My cousin likes animals in the water, especially with the hippopotamus because it is very large, and he said it was cute because what you see is only his head when you look at it from outside the water.
After we were satisfied walking around the zoo, we all went home and immediately rested when we got home.
Sudah Mika.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ready?
Kelompok 1.
Okay, head.
Mulai nggak?
Iya, silakan, langsung saja.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kami dari kelompok 1 akan mempresentasikan hasil rekonteks kami.
Orientation. Last holiday, I went to the city of Bulukumba with some of my friends. We will spend the night on the beach. Even we have prepared everything. We went there by motorbike. The vehicle made it easy for us to cross any road to get to along the south side of the city of Bulukumba.
Next. Siapa lagi berbicara, guys?
We drove slowly and sometimes stopped for a few minutes to enjoy the view.
Finally, we arrived in Bulukumba. We kept going south just to find the beach. There are many visitors. It was a beautiful beach with white sand. Turns out that the beach is a famous beach. It's a famous beach among us. This beach is Pira Bulukumba Beach.
We got a boat that was going fast. It's so fun because the sea is very nice. We built our den and prepared a small branch to make a small fire because we needed it for cooking. We had delicious barbecue and food.
We stayed at the beach for one night. We loved this trip even we enjoyed it, and we will return to the beach on our next vacation.
Sudah, Kak.
Okay, thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next. Siapa lagi,
Kelompok
guys?
8. Kelompok 8.
Oke, kelompok 8, silahkan.
We are gonna read our context by title Camping in Malino. Three months ago, I went to Malino to hike the mountain with my friends. It was my first time climbing the mountain and I did it with them. Before leaving, I started to pack up all the necessary equipment, such as eating and drinking utensils, sandals or mountain shoes, medicines, flashlight and spare batteries, carry-on bags, and others. We started our ascent at 4 a.m. By then, it was getting darker. Visibility was getting narrower. We used flashlight to find and locate hiking trails. To get to the top, we spent about 1 to 2 hours. Finally, we reached to the top of the mountain at 6 a.m.
It turned out that there are so many people who had come before us. While waiting for the sun to rise, we cook food and drink for the body. We also sing together and get to know each other. The sun is starting to rise. I managed to see a very beautiful natural panorama from the top of the mountain. Once satisfied, we went down from the mountain. For me, this is an unforgettable first experience. The feeling of darkness and fatigue was replaced by the natural beauty that I saw, and also this experience is very exciting because I do it
Wait, my friends.
Sudah, Mika.
Have you done?
Iya, sudah, Mika.
Okay, thank you, Group A. Nice presentation. So, next is Group. Siapa lagi mau? Selanjutnya guys, kelompok berapa lagi? Already. Who wants to presenting. Group 4, Group 5, Group 6, Group 7 wants to presenting. Guys, hello.
Yes. Next group.
Guys, group 4. Please. Group 4.
Tunggu, Kak. Ada ke WC.
Temanku lagi ke WC.
Cewek, Kak. Baca.
Biar tidur gitu cuman minum.
Kalau boleh mau dulu, Kak.
Okay, group 5. Yeah. Group 5. Regita, Nurul, Zafran, Juari, Syafi. Are you ready?
Kak, kelompok 4, Kak.
Okay, go ahead.
Gas.
Kasih nyala kameranya dong. Aduh.
Tunggu, Kak.
Kenapa tidak ada kasih nyala kamera ini beberapa sih?
Mulai, Mi.
Tunggu dulu.
HP Sabdal.
Tunggu dulu, Kak. Dan satu temanku. Hilang.
Suara apa itu ditanya?
Iya, memang itu Sabdal.
Sebut tumbuh.
Tunggu, jaga sebaca Sabdal.
Cukup ribut. Apa ini?
While waiting, bisa yang lain presentasi dulu. Kelompok 6, 7, 5.
Mulai nih, paling, Kak.
Supaya enggak bongbong.
Baru Nas.
Ya,
Lupa, Kak.
Dari satu personal ya Sabrina Kak, nggak ada.
kenapa? Mana?
Ada jadi
Tidur ke apa,
Google Meet tapi nggak tahu. Ada orangnya pendek, Kak.
Tidur.
Telepon ini. Nggak menyaut di grup kah? Di grupnya kalian?
Tidur, Kak.
Tidak, Kak.
Tidur.
Minum dulu kayak
Lanjut Miss aja.
Ya,
Biar Mei
lanjut.
yang baca 2 kali, Kak.
Biar, Mi.
Iya, tidak apa-apa sih.
Ada yang baca 2
Salah
kali.
sendiri tidak aktif, tidak hadir.
Mulai
Masa
Kak.
menghilang baru kalian siap nih. Iya.
2 days ago, I went to Mount Merapi. It was my first time.
Salam dulu.
Ah,
Salamku dulu.
oh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 4 akan membacakan teks ini. 2 days ago, I went to Mount Merapi. It was my first time going on a hike to the mountain. I did with my friends. We start our hike at 8 p.m. It was pitch black and we only asked our flash highlights to find the hiking trail.
We hiked slowly and enjoyed our time there. After 7 hours of traveling up the mountain, we finally arrived at the top of the mountain. It's already 3 in the morning.
Turned out we weren't alone. There were many people who had reached the top of the mountain before we came. We wait for the sun to rise while cooking food and else making hot drinks to restore our energy.
After enjoying the sunrise, we had to hurry home. Going down the mountain is not as difficult as climbing. We just need little energy and time, but we have to do it carefully. The orientation, however, it was the most memorable experience I've had so far. Other than that, it was the greatest experience I've ever had.
Sekian dari kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi yang tidak ada tadi siapa?
Sabrina, Kak.
Sabrina, Kak.
Sabrina. Parah.
Iya.
Itu tadi Siti Fakira namanya.
Ya,
Siti Fakira namanya Farah.
iya, Kak.
Fakira namanya Farah. Farah, Pak. Ini Patrisa. Siapa? Oh iya. Oke, tunggu.
Yang kedua Abdal, Kak.
Oh, Suci. Tunggu, bingung, Kak. Patrisa tadi sudah membaca?
Iya, Kak, sudah.
Iya, Kak, sudah.
Kenapa ada namanya Fakira?
Nama di mana, Kak?
Nama di kelompoknya. Farah, Sabrina enggak ada toh, Patrisa sudah, Afdal, Sabrun.
Saya, Kak.
Betul.
Oke. Iya, sorry. My bad. Naik, kelompok berapa lagi? Thank you, kelompok 4. Oke, 5.
Mulai nih, Kak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Insyaallah.
We from Group 5 will present the result of our discussion about the context of an interesting personal experience story. First paragraph will be read by Nurul.
The last time I went on vacation, I went to visit my grandmother's house. The house is pretty cool, for, far from the city and also very close to the vegetable farming area. My grandparents were farmers. I spent 2 days staying there, and I also did a lot of interesting things in the fields, helping my grandfather to grow vegetable. On the first day, I learned to grow spinach. Where I did was move the spinach seeds from the seeding media to the planting area provided. Egi.
I thought it was easy to do. In fact, growing spinach seed is very tiring. I had to move them one by one under the scorching heat of the sun. I did it a few hours before lunchtime, then continue into the afternoon. At night, there's nothing else I want to do but sleep. I'm so tired, but what I did was fun. I could get up in the morning until my grandmother knocked on the door. He laughed at me because what I was doing was actually nothing compared to what a real farmer would do.
Then, before we went to the fields again, my grandmother had already prepared breakfast. After breakfast, I follow my grandfather to the next rice field. We will carry out routine maintenance on spinach plants that are 1 month old. We water it and also check for caterpillars or grasshoppers. On the third day, I should have gone home. I feel sad because I have to leave my grandfather and grandmother, but that's okay because next vacation I will visit my grandparents again. Udah, Kak.
Okay, thank you.
Tunggu, Juari sama siapa yang tidak membaca?
Anu kan ndak aktif ki. Sudah miku chat Syafi tapi tidak nabalas ki.
Juari?
Juari tidak ndak online ki kak. Ndak aktif ki. Juga.
Oke. Thank you, group 5. Next is group 7, the last group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
When I was in the 8th grade, I was very happy because this semester my report card was hit and I was in first place in the class. And next semester, I will move up to the 9th grade of junior high school. My pleasure grew because during the next week, I went on excursion to my grandparents' house in Parepare.
I arrived at their house on a Sunday around 9 in the morning. Travel from my house in Makassar, it takes 2 to 5 hours to get to my grandparents' house by big bus. We immediately left because we did not have time to have breakfast before leaving. My grandma is the best. They had finished preparing the chicken when I came home. Seeing chicken from my grandmother, I was very happy. Yes, generally, grandmother only cook when there is a big family reunion and eat. Maybe cooking chicken because grandma is happy with my vacation moment here.
Considering it's been almost we haven't seen each other, I hugged my grandparents and asked about their condition. Thank good they were all healthy. We even are together on the floor because we don't usually eat the dinner tablet. table. While eating, I talked about my experience at school. They were happy to know that my report card was high and that I was first in class. I didn't feel like my plate was clean. I didn't even hesitate and ate. It's true that eating grandmother's chicken will not be enough if you only eat one portion. After adding 2 more times the result, I was full. Grandpa and Grandma just laughed at me who called move.
I decided to move my favorite place at Grandma's house, which is the bell on the terrace. I will miss this experience again. Eating is eating. Thank you everything. Sudah Mika?
Apa itu thank you everything?
Terima kasih semuanya.
Thank you everyone.
Everyone. Ya.
Okay, thank you everyone. Tidak boleh diketahui teman belajar.
Untukku itu
Hah? Thank you semua. Untukku. Yo, ibarat bangun, so.
Okay, so everyone has presented your assignment group. Ini tadi ada beberapa yang
Kak,
sudah bagus nih. Iya.
kelompokku
Kelompok berapa kamu?
kelompokku belum.
Oh iya di
Kak.
kelompok 6 Sorry. Terlengkap tadi.
Saya tahu.
Belum 5 menit mami. Peng.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Abdal, magang Abdal.
Ya. Mulai nih. Kelompok 6, Nora.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we from group
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we from group 6 will present a personal experience at Kindle vacation to Jakarta. Last year I went on vacation to Jakarta. I'm on vacation to Jakarta with my uncle. In the morning I prepared to go Jakarta. Finally I left. On the way I saw a beautiful sight. The journey from Makassar to Jakarta took 2 hours. I boarded the Jakarta Garuda plane. Arriving in Jakarta, my uncle and I looked for a hotel. Arriving at the hotel, I showered, prayed, and eat. The next day, I accompanied my uncle to shoot a lecture at the MTV studio to be broadcast in the month of fasting. Later, the title was Talk About Islam. And after that, my uncle and I continued to go Trans Studio Jakarta. Until Trans Studio Jakarta, I bought a ticket and went in. First, I played Giant Swing, then played Giant Country. Then I played Sky Pirate, drinking and eating first. After that, I continued to play Other World. I actually had a long queue, but I didn't enter. Then I went to the Science Center, where we can find about mathematics, physics, biology, and chemistry. Next, I saw a show which was not far from the. After that, I played Explore. The game exploration is almost the same as the game Niagara in Ancol. Then I saw there was a parrot and there was snow falling from above. Then I saw a show that was a little extreme, namely action effect. Then my uncle and I prayed first at the Trans Studio prayer room. Before going home, my uncle and I took pictures for mementos. Arriving at the hotel, I immediately went to sleep. The next day, my uncle and I went shopping for souvenir for the family in Makassar.
Next. Guys, selesai nih? Masih ada?
Iya, selesai.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ragil sama Ragil sama Goyes nggak ada di berarti. Nora.
Iya, Kak. Kenapa, Ki?
Ragil sama Goyes nggak ada berarti.
Iya, udah tahu itu, Kak. Tidur ke kapang dan angkat juga teleponku. Kelas 2 aja tapi kan begitu nih. Marah-marah.
Oke, thank you. Thank you group 6. So we're all finished our presentation. No, your presentation today. Thank you guys for your nice presentation. All of you are until now it's good with the pronunciation, the intonation. Cuma kameranya semua ini kenapa nggak nyala tadi? Padahal itu mau dilihat mukanya semua tuh yang cantik-cantik, yang ganteng-ganteng. Masa itu?
Muka baru bangun saya, Kak.
Biar tidak apa-apa, muka bantal. Jadi I want to remind you guys kalau pertemuan selanjutnya kita itu ada ujian harian tentang recount text. Jadi belajar memang nih untuk pertemuan selanjutnya karena kita akan ada ujiannya, ujian harian. Jangan takut belajar dan semoga kalian beruntung. Okay, I think that's all for today meeting. Yeah. Kenapa Afdal?
Udah juga.
Ini Abdul Aik.
Kak, aku bertanya.
Yeah.
Ujian tulis atau ujian lisan?
Nanti saya lagi surprise. Pokoknya saya kasih tahu selanjutnya nanti. Belajar memang saja kalian. Buat saya memang semua materinya tuh recount text kemarin. Okay. I think that's all for today's meeting because we're running off the time juga, udah jam 10. Me, Alina Rulianta, and Fitriani is my also teacher. Thank you very much for your attendance, and I'm sorry for my mistake that I have talked to you. So I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih semuanya.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semoga puasanya lancar ya teman-teman.
Mau buka jam 12 siang, Kak.
Thank you, Kalia.
Jangan dong. Iya, sama-sama.
Agung.
Iya, sama-sama.